JK Jain Sparky India LLP, a clothes label that stands for quality and affordability, changing worldwide trends and styles, matching the flavor of people of all ages. The inspiration behind our brand, Shri JK Jain,
started his business since 1962.
Launched Sparky, the original collection of casual shirts and trousers,
in 1998.
Emerging from a woolen hosiery manufacturing company, delivering the best at the best prices over last 5 decades. Our philosophy is high-end design and affordable quality fabrication with a commitment to sustainable manufacturing. If you are looking for a clothes brand, international in standards, yet at reasonable prices, your wait ends here. Sparky, meeting expectations, earning customers. JK Jain, our visionary founder of JK Jain Sparky India LLP, began his entrepreneurial journey in 1962. His philosophy was high-end design and affordable quality fabrication with a commitment to sustainable manufacturing. He has illuminated our path in the woolen hosiery manufacturing business and also launched Sparky, a clothing line,
in 1998.
His exemplary dedication and hard work has made this company what it is today. His legacy is being carried forward by his 2 sons, Mr. S.K. Jain, head of the production, and Mr. A.K. Jain, head of the sales and marketing, and the 3rd generation, Mr. Sachin Jain and Mr. Adish Jain, has followed the footsteps of their grandfather too. The unwavering adherence to attain excellence, quality and precision by the manufacturing unit in Delhi will be retained in the new manufacturing unit
in Noida.
We promise you unique brand value and superior quality, and we fortify the immense trust of our customers with growing ears.